Hello, my dear kids. Welcome to Kiddos Learn.
Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to our Guess the Wild Animals game. There are so many animals hiding in the jungle today. Can you guess who they are? Let's find out together. Round 1. Who's hiding? This big cat is called the king of the jungle. He has a loud roar. Can you guess? Yes, it's a lion. This animal has orange fur with black stripes. It's very strong and sneaky. Who is it? Correct. It's a tiger. This animal has a long trunk and big ears. It is the biggest land animal. Who is it? Yes! It's an elephant. This animal has a very long neck. It eats leaves from tall trees. What is it? Correct. It's a giraffe. This animal looks like a horse, but has black and white stripes. Who do you think it is? Yes, it's a zebra. This strong animal has thick gray skin, like armor. It has 1 or 2 big horns on its nose. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's a rhinoceros. This animal spends most of its day in rivers and lakes. It opens its mouth super wide, almost like a big yawn, and it has short legs. Can you guess who it is? Yes, it's a hippopotamus. This wildcat has golden fur with dark rosette spots. It loves to climb trees and hide there. Can you guess who it is? Yes, it's a leopard. This is the fastest animal on land. This animal has a slim body and black tear lines under its eyes. It has black spots, too. Who is it? Correct. It's a cheetah. This big ape walks on its knuckles and eats plants. It beats its chest and lives in groups. It is gentle but very strong. Can you guess? Correct. It's a gorilla. This animal has tough, scaly skin and sharp teeth. It waits very quietly in the water. Then snap. Can you guess? Yes, it's a crocodile. This animal looks a lot like a crocodile, but its snout is shorter and rounder. It lives in rivers and swamps. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's an alligator. This wild animal lives in a pack and works together with its family. At night, it lifts its head and howls at the moon. Looks like a big dog. Can you guess? Yes, it's a wolf. This clever animal has pointy ears and a fluffy tail. It sneaks quietly through the forest. It is red or orange. Who is it? Correct! It's a fox. This animal is big and furry. It loves to eat honey and fish. It can sleep all winter in its cave. Can you guess? Yes, it's a bear. This playful ape is very smart and loves to copy people. It swings from branch to branch and loves bananas. Who is it? Yes, a chimpanzee. This orange ape has the longest arms of all. It builds nests high up in trees. Can you guess? Correct! It's an orangutan. This cuddly animal is black and white. It loves to roll, climb, and it loves eating bamboo all day. Who is it? Yes, it's a panda. This jumper has strong back legs and a long tail. This animal has a pouch for its baby. It hops high and lives in Australia. Can you guess? Correct! It's a kangaroo. This gentle animal has tall antlers. It is quiet, fast, and loves to graze on grass. Who is it? Yes, it's a deer. This wild animal is huge and strong with shaggy hair. It has big horns and a hump on its back. It lives in herds and runs across the grasslands. Who is it? Ek. Yes, it's a bison. This animal has 1 or 2 humps on its back to store fat. It is called the ship of the desert. This desert animal can go many days without water. Who is it? Correct. It's a camel. This animal has a long nose and sticky tongue. It loves eating ants and termites all day. Can you guess? Yes, you are correct. It's an anteater. Wow! You guessed so many wild animals today. Great job, little explorers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun games. See you next time. Bye-bye.